Today in this video I'm gonna suggest you top programming languages, top 3 programming languages that most of the hackers use. By the way, programming is not mandatory for hacking, but if you want to be a professional one in this field or a successful one in this field, you have to learn programming languages so that you can write your own exploits and you could get to know how code works behind any application. First I will tell you the programming languages and then I will tell you the resources where from you can learn it. So here is the first one, which is Python, most popular and one of the best language today. Yes, obviously Python is a pro language and easy to learn, and its syntax is similar to English language. That's why it is easy to learn and easy to use. You can write your own exploits through Python. Second one is JavaScript, which is also easy to learn. In today's world, most of the websites are created by JavaScript. It will be a best option if you want to be a bug bounty hunter, because if you know the behind the scene code of any web application or of any website, it will help you to hack it. Third one, I will prefer C programming, the best language and the mother of all language. If you are start programming, then you can start with C. C can communicate with the processor directly, and if you research, most of the exploits are written in C programming language. C is a lower level programming language, that's why it is used to making OS, operating systems. Now I will tell you best resources to learn these programming languages. So for Python, you can go through W3 School, the best site to learn programming languages. Or you can go through Black Hat Python, best book to write exploits. And there is one more book, Python for Professionals. If you want to get this book, you can message me on my Instagram for the PDF version. Now come to JavaScript. So for JavaScript, you also can go through W3 schools, or you can read JavaScript for Professionals. If you want to get this book, you can message me on my Instagram. I will provide it on the description. And for C language, you can go through this book, Programming with C by TGF Vavan. This is the best book according to me for beginner to start with C. So I hope you got something new. Thank you.